Hello. Today I am going to show you how to make this duck logo in Adobe Illustrator CC. So let's get started. Choose Ellipse tool, and draw a circle. Adjust the stroke size. Make a copy of the circle and decrease the size. Select the top anchor points of the both circles and delete. Select the inner half circle and add an anchor point with pen tool and delete a part. Choose line tool and draw a line from right to left above the outer half circle. Again choose Ellipse tool and draw a circle and delete its lower right part. And align it with shape to get the desired result. Again choose line tool, and draw a line and connect it with the shape as shown in the video. Select all and expand. By pressing Ctrl+Y button you can switch in outline mode to edit the shapes more accurately. Again press Ctrl+Y for back to shape mode. Again draw a line and put it below the duck. Expand it. Select all expect line and weld them from Pathfinder panel. Select all and group. Align horizontal and vertical center to the artboard. Select rectangle tool and draw a square the artboard size. change the color and move it backward. Choose Text tool and write your logo text and slogan. So that was the logo design tutorial in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you like it. If you have any question, suggestion or feedback, feel free to comment below. Also,